welcome back to Eyes on Digital, reporting to you live from here in Boise, Idaho. Today our topic will be explaining the reasons as to why your website should use a content management system, which is also known as CMS. First of all, it's way easier for you as the business owner to make updates and adjustments as you please. Second, it's easier for collaboration and allows for multiple people to work on one content piece at the same time. Third, it's easier to make small SEO adjustments and updates across all of your pages and posts right away. And finally, it's much more affordable because they are quicker to make and the update is easier than a hard-coded website. If you are wondering which CMS is best for you, contact us today here at Socialize Marketing and we can discuss all of our different options with you. For more information, make sure you check out all of our social media platforms or go check out our website, getsocialize.com. I'm Abby Scott and I'm signing off.